Today, we are pressure washing some nasty tire marks off the driveway, but we encounter a slight problem midway through the clean. As you'll see later on in the video, my phone had a slight concussion. My name is Michael. I like to clean stuff, and one day in the future, I could be cleaning your home or sending you to the Bahamas while I sail the East Coast. So, if you haven't already, please hit that sub button, as it really is the best way to support what I'm doing. And if you're able to, like and hype the video up. That way you won't miss out on my adventures sailing the East Coast and cleaning homes. Until then, at Windy Windows, we windows. So if you made it this far in the video, you can see that my phone kind of tipped over. Wasn't that big of a deal. It did make it. It's not cracked or anything, thank the Lord. But yeah, we didn't get too much content after that, as I thought I was cleaning and recording that entire time, but I only got the cleaning part. So I only had this and pretty much the before and after photos. So if you like the content, please consider liking and subscribing and hit that notification button so you don't miss any content in the future. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video.